Hi, my name is Sonji Anderson, and I am interested in your position as a psychometrist in your internal medicine department. I understand that this position requires interviewing and conducting research, scoring psychological tests, and having experience in an educational setting while receiving guidance under a doctoral level psychologist. Receiving direct supervision is one of my educational and career goals. I am particularly interested in cognitive processes as well as effective decision making. I have experience in working directly with developmentally disabled adults with case management skills. I am currently working in the educational environment while working to attain my master's degree in psychology with the intention of becoming an LPC with a North Carolina state license. I can offer a safe, friendly, professional, and confidential environment for potential clients. Here's my business card with my contact information. Please feel free to contact me if you are interested in my services. Thank you.